We've all been there, sitting in a meeting that drags on endlessly because everybody wants their voices heard. On the flip side, we've also seen rushed decisions that leave the team scrambling to fix avoidable mistakes. Striking a balance between speed and consensus in decision-making feels like walking a tightrope. But here's the good news. It's possible, and it's transformative. Leadership isn't a constant tug-of-war between urgency and inclusion. You want results, but you also want buy-in. This tension can feel overwhelming, but it's actually what makes collaborative decisions making so powerful. When handled right, it creates better solutions, stronger teams, and faster execution. Here's the key. Speed and consensus doesn't have to be opposites. The secret lies in the clarity in the desired outcome. First, clarity of purpose. Why are we making this decision? And what's at stake? Second, clarity of roles. Who needs to contribute and who's responsible for the final call? When teams understand the purpose and their roles, they can engage thoughtfully without dragging out the process. But let's not sugarcoat it. Collaboration takes courage. It means letting go of control, asking hard questions, and sometimes hearing things you don't want to hear. It's easy to think that fast decisions are strong decisions, but speed without alignment leads to friction down the road. Similarly, chasing unanimous agreement can paralyze progress. The balance comes from knowing when to push forward and when to pause and when to listen. The beauty of collaborative decision making is that it's not just about outcomes, it's about relationships. When you bring people into the process, you build trust and ownership. And that trust doesn't just make this decision better, it lays the foundation for smoother, faster decisions in the future. The next time you feel caught between speed and consensus, take a step back. Ask yourself, are we clear on the purpose? And does everyone understand their roles? When teams align on these fundamentals, decision-making doesn't have to feel like a battle. It can be the start of something extraordinary.